Alright, so guys, we're looking at today's lesson will be conditional statements. And it's actually kind of a fun one. It's a little bit easier to understand, but it's a lot of writing. Okay, today's gonna feel more like an English class than a math class. So, some of you guys know your favorite. So we're gonna look at our objectives for today. We have several things we need to do. You don't have to write all these down. In fact, please don't write all these down. But we'll go over them. We're going to stand still there for a minute. So basically, we're going to be looking at identifying the hypothesis and conclusion, which is a really easy thing to do. And then we're going to learn about three different forms: the converse, inverse, and contrapositive. Those are the three vocab words you guys need to remember for the remainder of the course. And also the concept of a counterexample. Now, first of all, what do you guys think? What is a counterexample? Kind of. But ultimately, guys, what a counterexample is, it just shows the statement's false. For example, all trees are tall. Okay, why is that false? Okay, so give me an example of a short tree.
A baby tree. Apple trees.
Apple trees are short trees, right?
Okay.
So, apple trees would be a counterexample to that original statement. Okay, it's a statement, it's an example that shows the statement's false. That's all a counterexample is. So we get into this. Let's go ahead and start talking about conditional statements. And first, think what that actually means. Stop and think about it. It's a statement that has a condition. Give me an example of that. Especially as teenagers, you guys probably get into these kind of statements all the time with your parents.
Well, if I do this, then you have to do
Are you? Say it a little louder.
If you do this, you have to do that.
Okay, yeah, so if I do this, then, so basically what Blaine just put in there is a very obvious, now ladies, enough discussion over there on the side.
Thank you. I'm trying to learn.
It's an if-then statement. If this happens, then that will happen. It's an if-then statement. That's all that means. When we hear conditional statements, think about it as an if-then. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give you guys statements, just boring statements here, and I want you to write it as an if-then statement. This is a little tricky. You got to make sure these are grammatically correct. That's the hard part. So we look at number one. A rectangle has 4 sides. How could I write that as an if-then statement?
If it has 4 sides.
Sorry?
If it has 4 sides, then it's
If what?
Rectangle.
You said if it. What is it? But I agree with you. You were almost right, except for that if part. So if what? Let's go with a shape. Okay. So if a shape, go ahead and finish that up.
The shape has 4 sides.
Be careful here. Think about the order. What are we given first? Rectangle. So if a shape is a rectangle, then it has 4 sides. That would be converse. Okay. That wasn't so bad, right? If a shape is a rectangle, then it has 4 sides. So that's all we did. We just rewrote that statement as a conditional statement. Okay, what about number 2? A tiger is an animal. It's only more difficult to write. What are your thoughts here? Go ahead, Austin.
If an animal is a tiger, then it's an animal. Threw it in, double it.
Yeah, the problem there is like using a word in its own definition.
Silver.
Doesn't work.
What color is silver?
Nice.
Silver.
It's actually gray. It's shiny gray. Okay, so no, that's not gonna work. Let's try a different one. Any other ideas how to write
If
this?
it's orange and has black stripes, then it's a tiger.
What is black and orange stripes?
It's a tiger.
Oh.
Then it's a car.
Yeah.
Because a Dodge Charger is black and you put two pinstripes on the top of it.
Mine's yellow.
What? You know,
Mine's yellow.
Yeah.
And XS.
Really, if you shave a tiger, the lines are embedded in the skin.
Or in skin of the tiger.
whoa, no.
Oh, this
Yeah.
So
guy.
I was right?
No, red and black.
Okay, so another way of writing number 2, hey guys, come on, is that if something,
What's something?
so if something is a tiger,
It'd be an
then it is an animal. Something that's a tiger, say,
Well, doesn't that mean then, like, if you have, like, a stuffed animal like a tiger, it's an animal then?
Still.
Is that what
if
it's saying?
that stuffed animal is a tiger.
It's an animal? Like
Now,
a real
here's the thing, okay, hey,
That was a
the one thing to be important here that we want to make sure we note is that we're not saying that these are true statements. All we're doing is we're writing this in conditional statement